Print photos from your Mac using the HP app. You can use the HP app to edit and print photos from your Mac. If you don't have the HP app, you can get it for free from your App Store or by going to 123.hp.com. On your Mac, open the HP app and sign into your account. Select your printer, and then select Print Photos. If prompted, click Set Photo Access and update your app settings to allow the HP app to access your photos. In the HP app, choose the photo you want to print, and then select Next. Adjust the paper type and size based on your preferences. For select printers, you can choose a paper tray as well. Use the card's layout and adjust options to edit the photo. You can crop, rotate, flip, and more. When you're done editing, select Next. Adjust any print settings based on your preferences, save the edited file if you want, and then select Print.